Hi, I'm Dr. Roger Fortner, and I'd like to welcome you to the field of developmental disabilities and to the role of the direct support professional. Please allow me to explain to you the duties and responsibilities of a direct support professional. Working as a direct support professional means you need to treat each person with dignity and respect. This means that each individual you work for is a person, just like you and I. In this field, we use people-first language. It may sound like a subtle difference, but the difference is huge, because the individuals we serve are people first and their disability comes second. This is a rewarding field, but also a challenging field. As a direct support professional, you will take on many roles. Your job will be to assist the people living in a residential setting. Sometimes the residential setting is a home or an apartment in the community, or sometimes it may be a larger residential facility. No matter the setting, your job will be to help individuals with their everyday life. Some people may need very little help with daily living, but many will require a great deal of assistance. The most important aspect of helping a person with the skills of daily living is to allow the person to do as much for themselves as they can. Your goal is to help the person become as independent as possible. Part of that assistance may be helping during mealtime. This could mean cooking for an individual or helping the individual cook. You may need to assist in helping the person eat, or they may depend upon you to feed them their entire meal. In other instances, you may simply oversee meal times. Another part of your responsibility may be helping an individual during their bath or shower. Some individuals may have all the skills to do these tasks independently. However, many of the individuals will depend upon you to provide this quality care. You may need to brush their teeth, wash their hair and their body, and then dress them. It is important that all of this is done with dignity and respect for their privacy. Many individuals use wheelchairs, and while some individuals are capable of self-propelling their own wheelchairs, many others will depend upon you to assist them. Although some agencies may own battery-operated lifts, you may be required to assist another staff in lifting or transferring individuals who are unable to do so on their own. Therefore, it is generally a requirement that you are able to lift at least 50 pounds. Some of the people you will serve are incontinent and must wear adult briefs, which must be kept clean and dry. Your assistance is necessary for changing the brief when either urine or a bowel movement soils it. Again, dignity and respect are required during this very personal procedure. As a direct support professional, you may run across some things you have never experienced before, such as a seizure disorder. You will be trained in what to do in the event an individual has a seizure. Many individuals are unable to communicate verbally. This means they have alternate forms of communication, such as sign language, the use of a communication board,
I want something good to eat,
vocalizations or gestures. Other events that may occur are behavioral issues. Often, these are labeled as maladaptive behaviors, but it simply may be an individual's way of communicating. However, if an individual is going to harm themselves or someone else, it will be your job to intervene and teach the person appropriate behavior. You will be trained in this area as well. You should know that not all of the job responsibilities relate to personal care. There are a variety of opportunities that individuals with disabilities experience. As a direct support professional, you will be involved in these experiences as well. For instance, you may take individuals on trips to the zoo, go on a picnic, go camping, or even take them on a vacation. As a direct support professional, you also have the opportunity to help a person with a disability to learn and grow. You may be the person who establishes a close relationship with one of the individuals, or you may be the person who is able to teach a new skill. This kind of experience is truly rewarding, and you have the opportunity to make a positive difference in someone's life. Whether it's teaching a person how to use a communication board, how to put on a shirt, how to put change in a soda machine, how to eat hand over hand, how to go to the store, or perhaps you may simply sit and talk with them. You can make a positive difference in their life. Another responsibility of a direct support professional is paperwork. Everything you do during the day or night that helped an individual must be documented. It is an important part of your job, and you should complete documentation by the end of your daily work schedule. You will be trained on this also. Finally, as a direct support professional, you will become an advocate, a voice for the people you serve. You will become a professional in this field, an educator for those in your life who do not know anyone with a disability. It is always important that you speak highly of the people you serve and treat them with respect and dignity. Please remember, when you come to work, you are working in the home of the person with a disability. This is their home, and you are a visitor helping them make their way in life. We do not push our personal values on the people we serve. We respect that this is their home, and we are here to help them with their need. And certainly, any kind of abuse or neglect is not tolerated. As a staff person, it is your duty to report any such incidents. Hopefully, this will never be an issue, but as stated before, you become a voice for the people you serve. It is important for you to speak up when you believe someone is not treating them in a dignified manner. Because you become almost like a family member to the individuals, we encourage you to build strong yet professional relationships with the people you serve. This is an admirable field of work. It is a challenging field of work, and it is a profession you can be proud of. It is rich with experiences. It also allows us to look at our own lives in a new perspective. It takes a strong commitment from you, but the benefits can truly be rewarding, and they can last a lifetime.